Present continuous tense. Grammar presentation. When to use present continuous tense.
Actions happening now. We use it to talk about actions that are happening now. Examples: I am eating lunch. She's writing a letter. They are playing soccer in the park. He's cooking dinner. We are watching a movie.
Describing temporary actions. It's used for actions that are temporary or not habitual. Examples: he is learning to play the guitar. She is trying a new recipe today. I am taking a yoga class this week. We are visiting our grandparents for the weekend. She is playing soccer with her friends today.
Discussing future plans. We also use it to talk about future arrangements. Examples: I'm meeting my friend at 4 p.m. They're flying to Paris next week. She is attending a conference on Friday. He is going to the dentist in the afternoon. We are watching a play at the theater this evening.
How to form present continuous.
Positive form. To make a positive sentence, start with the subject, add the appropriate form of to be, am, is, are, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: I am cooking dinner. She is playing tennis now.
Negative form. For negative sentences, use not after the form of to be, am not, is not, are not, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: she isn't sleeping. They are watching TV.
Question form. To ask a question, begin with the appropriate form of to be, am, is, are. Add the subject, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: is she cooking? Are you studying for the test?
Thank you for listening. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share to receive more videos like this in the future.
Present continuous. English grammar presentation.
Use. The present continuous tense is used to describe dynamic actions that are currently happening or will be happening in the near future.
Function. Actions in progress at the time of speaking. Sam is buying some clothes for his trip to London.
Function. Temporary activities at or around the time of speaking. We are having a French course this term.
Function. Fixed or personal arrangements for the future. I'm flying to Madrid next week.
Function. Annoying habits with always. Tim is always losing his keys.
Form. To make a sentence, you'll need subject plus verb be plus verb plus ing.
Positive sentences. I'm playing. You're playing. He's, she's, it's playing. We're playing. You're playing. They're playing.
Negative sentences. I'm not playing. You aren't playing. He, she, it isn't playing. We aren't playing. You aren't playing. They aren't playing. Questions. Questions word plus to be plus subject plus verb plus ing.
Questions. What language is he speaking? I don't understand anything. Is Sue playing the violin, or is it a radio?
Time expressions. Now, at the moment, at present. I'm going now.
Time expressions. Today, tonight, this morning, this week. I'm meeting Peter tonight.
Thank you.
Present continuous tense. Present continuous. What are they doing? Look at the pictures and choose the correct option.
She's swimming, she's crying, she's dancing.
He's eating. He's cooking. He's running.
She's drinking, she's resting, she's playing.
He's yelling. He's crying. He's thinking.
He's drawing, he's crying, he's dancing.
He's laughing. He's yelling. He's walking.
She's walking, she's running, she's sleeping.
He's cooking. He's eating. He's painting.
He's playing, he's crying, he's jumping. She's yelling, she's reading, she's drawing.
Number 1. They play football.
Number 2. I sweep the floor.
Number 3. Mother cook.
Number 4. Jack study.
Number 5. And listen to music.
Number 6. We sing.
Number 7. He walked to school.
Number 8. My family have dinner.
Number 9. Father washed the dishes.
Number 10. She read.
Number 11. The girls watch movie.
Number 12. They wait for the bus.
Answer sheet.